Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey, what's going on, Honda enthusiasts? This time we are installing the eBay knockoff of the K-Tune billet aluminum short shifter. Although I would love to go with the name brand, it's a little expensive if you're just asking me, but I decided to save some money and hopefully not functionality on this eBay beauty. So, first impressions out of the box. Basic cardboard box, of course, and bubble wrapped pretty well to hopefully protect it from any abusive delivery men. It comes in 3 pieces: the shifter base plate mechanism, the shifter arm, as well as the connecting arm, along with a few Allen wrenches. Yeah, I gotta say, visually I'm impressed. We have smooth edges and a nice finish. Let's get this thing installed and see how she looks and performs in the EM2.
Sound right, boys. It sound right.
Alright, in this section, I have the old shifter out, but I need to reuse these old bushings for the new install. All you have to do is push the metal center out first, and then it's pretty easy to just pull the rubber bushing out without, doing any damage to them. These are a new addition as well. Over the weekend I replaced the clutch and throwout bearing. And I replaced the shifter linkage bushings with these solid aluminum ones. Again, these were another no-name brand that I ordered from eBay for, I want to say like $20.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Now that everything is installed, my immediate feelings towards this purchase are positive. It brings me one step closer to cleaning up my interior looks-wise compared to the cruddy, rusty old gearbox I had. The shifts feel direct and notchy, but mostly it looks like a cool robotic arm reaching out to me. And time will tell if it holds up. But mostly I appreciate anyone taking the time to watch. I enjoy the process, and I hope this gives you the motivation to work on your own projects.
It sound white, boy.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.